Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 710 at Sofitel Kuala Lumpur Damansara. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. To the left, as you enter the room, you have a slot to insert the key card for the room's power together with the do not disturb and makeup room switches. And right here we have the open plan wardrobe area. We have an extra comfort pillow right above together with storage on that side. And below we have bathrobes, hangers, a torchlight, an ironing board, a power outlet down there together with laundry stuff, in-room slippers, a light switch right there. And on this side we have a place to hang more items on together with an umbrella, place to put your luggage, storage below, and I believe this one is the in-room safe. Okay, so this is the view that you get as you enter the room. Here we have quite a large mirror, and opposite the mirror is the bathroom. To the right of the bathroom we have another mirror with lights on either sides of the mirror. We have bathroom amenities right there, a box of tissues, the sink, soap, body lotion. We have the shaving mirror right here, which you turn on by, there you go. There's a ring of light around the shaving mirror. And next to it we have power outlets. Below we have the weighing scale, drawers, towels, bin, more storage, and I think on this side we have, nope, well, we have storage there, and I think the hairdryer is right here. Okay, so further inside, right here we have the shower area. It is a dual shower setup, so we have the rain shower right above and the handheld shower right there. And we also have the body wash, conditioner and shampoo from Balmain right there. There's a hook right there. Another mirror. Hello. And opposite the shower area is the toilet. Here we have the bathtub with the towel, bath mat, and obviously your shower head, the tap and whatnot. And further inside we have more light switches, the bedroom area. It is a very comfortable bed, sofa-like thing in front of the bedroom area. Sofa-like thing in front of the bed. Here we have a place to hang your suit on. Right here is the pantry area with a couple of mirrors right above, a power outlet down there, bottles of water, coffee machine, your coffee, tea and whatnot. You also have your sugars right there. And on the left side we have all the mugs, glasses and spoons. More glasses down here. And right at the bottom we have a kettle. On this side we have the fridge, which is empty, so you can put your own items in there. Okay, on the left bedside table we have storage, the TV remote, a power outlet, climate control panel, all the various light switches, and a light right above. We also have a light behind, or rather we have lights behind the headboard. And opposite the bed we have a flat screen LG TV. There's a bin down there, desk area with the desk chair, desk light, in-room telephone, writing materials, power outlets, HDMI port, and a USB-A port to connect to the system. We also have more storage down there. Here we have a table, another sofa-like thing. On the right bedside table, we have more storage, a light, and right there, more light switches and another power outlet. Okay, so this is the view out during the daytime. You can see the buildings around the hotel. That is DC Residences. And we have the hotel's pool below, as well as the road next to the hotel. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 710 at Sofitel Kuala Lumpur Damansara. Thanks for watching and goodbye.